north of
No, yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
It's yeah, been there many
I know
times.
Hanover.
Beautiful country.
Yeah, of course.
You see, may ano ka?
No, it won't do anything unless
Yeah, I know.
you touch it. But
First time
That's
now. So
yeah,
Ate
this is too early
Feliciang,
for them.
Victor,
yeah,
and
spring has
Ida.
sprung.
Yeah,
If you
but,
see this lot done already,
Yeah.
they call it spring has sprung.
but this weather is going to be cooler next week.
But yeah. So they say, oh my God, that's another one. Hello.
That's Ate Feliciang, Victor, and Ida.
Finally, I met si Aida and Alan.
Yeah.
Ay, Alan second time.
This is it.
That's
husband.
Kilya, Ida's
This is it, guys.
granddaughter.
And Kilia.
Yeah, Kilya.
And ano, what's his name?
Granddaughter.
Kilia.
Kilia. Wow, nice name. Kilia.
Not,
Like Ophelia.
or Nelia. My,
It's beautiful up
Hindi kaya
here.
siya pinanganak?
Beautiful down here.
Dumating, they're only 3 years now, Kilia, you're here.
Pero dito na siya mag-aaral.
Dito siya nag-aaral. He studies here.
Still snow on the mountain. And this you see. See, it's all just like a river. It's beautiful. First time I've been here, this place.
Careful, Kilia. Careful.
I think there's a way to go down to
Minsan sisi hawak ko ano. Where's my phone?
This is the highland. Here in Braemar.
okay to go there.
It's a beautiful, beautiful day today. You see, you still have snow on the mountain.
No problem. You are American. Stand straight with it. Oh, you see? If you finish it up, it will make 4 steps. And then again.
What do you want me to do?
Just normal or video. Just
For you?
take a photo for baby.
Oh, I see.
And with me, Mercy.
But how
You
do
just
I-
touch the circle one.
Yeah, but doesn't count.
Ha, baby, yeah.
That's
You can touch the
Ate
circle one.
Felicia
It's only
and
focus on
Victor.
It's focus on me.
Here, baby. Here, here, here. Later, wait. Hello, guys.
But that's the thing, guys.
Where's Ida? It's beautiful up here.
You see, guys. Oh, yeah, done.
Done.
Can I move?
Hello, please support my channel.
Yes.
Mi Amor, Feliciang.
This is the highland, isn't it, Victor?
I love you
Yes, I
all.
think it's part of the kangaroos.
Cairngorms.
Cairngorms is all that.
Oh, and what is
The
that
other
one?
side.
What is that
That's
side?
also Cairngorms
Where's
probably.
my phone, baby?
Here. Part of the Cairngorms. The Cairngorms is huge.
Oh.
It's not only Abiemore. It's all this area.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
But if you, but Ida said the Cairngorm road is closed just now.
Again, baby, again. Thank you, baby. Love you, baby. Another place. Where? Si Marcy, tapusin mo na yan para... Ay, 1 oras yan. Ipe-premiere yan.
Isang oras ba yun? No.
Wait, baby. No.
Done.
Paikot-ikot kami.
Done. You want another one? How do you do another one? You press the same?
Yeah. Ay, against the light. Baby, be careful. Against the light.
Yeah, against the light, no good.
No, you stay there.
Ogoy.
Okay. Yeah.
Ganda ng araw, oh. Tingnan nyo. Bababa ako, doon hanapin ko si Aida. Nasaan sila? Iihi ako.
Saka ihi.
Maghanap tayo.
Ah. Please support my channel.
Yes, Mi Amor.
Feliciang. Ayan, guys.
Mi Amor.
I love you all. Mwah.
As Victor, the hubby.
Hi guys. This is it, guys.
Where are they? Oh, they're down.
Uy, wasa dyan.
Andun sila yun. Andun sila. Wow, it's nice in here.
Ano mo muna yung, ano mo, like, ano mo, baka maano ka madulas.
Diyan muna kayo yung gamit niya. Yung bag niya. Wow, it's nice in here. Kilya, it's nice in here. Halika dito. Yeah, I make wiwi too. Ihi na tayo dito ah. Dito na. Agoy, naka-live ako. Oh my God, it's very dangerous. Iihi ako dito. Dito halika, ihi tayo. Daan-daan ka ha, Ate Feliciang.
Tayo na?
Iihi muna tayo ah.
Ay, walang magkikita dito.
Ay, Diyo, di maupo ka na dyan, magkubli na dyan. Wow, very beautiful here. Down here is beautiful. Diba ang ganda, oh, dyan sa baba. Ate Feliciang, dahan-dahan ka ha. Hindi, oy, dahan-dahan ka lang bumaba. Agoy. Surrounding with mountain here. Ganda ng araw po, sunshine. Bababa kayo dyan sa baba. Nakakatakot naman dito. My God, it's very... Baka mahulog ako dito. Ugoy! Nakakatakot naman. Pwede palang bumaba. Ate Felicia, halika na. Yun si Ate Felicia ko. Halika na dito, dali na. Dahan-dahan ka lang ha. Halika na dito, dahan-dahan ka lang. Ilagay mo sa kotse yung mga gamit natin. Ilagay mo sa kotse yung mga gamit natin, pati bag ni Aida. Nandito na sila sa baba. Ano ba yan? Ayun na si Aida oh. Si Aida at saka si Kilia. Hindi na tayo pwedeng bumaba dyan? Nakakatakot. Wala nang babaan yan, Aida? Ayan. 13 minutes na. Naka 13 minutes na ako. Diba ang ganda dito? Teka muna dahil kailangan kong mag-concentrate sa aking ano.
Oh my God. Mercy, be careful. It's very steep.
Ha? I know. Naka-live ka? Good. Lord help me. Agoy, ang layo na nila.
So if I share that one, it will order already still.
That's Aida and Kilia. Where are they? There. Say hello, guys!
Hello. It's okay.
Going down, but it's very dangerous.
Okay.
Hindi pa pwedeng umihi dito? Ang puso ko'y agoy, ano ba ito? Nakababa din ako. O, nandito na kami sa baba. Paikot. Ayun, naku, mayroon siyang ano, oh. Tingnan nyo. Nakababa na si Aida. Saka si Kilia. Ate Felicia! Yan ang ano, tingnan nyo. Oh. Ngayon sina Ate Feliciang doon. Woo! Pwede ka nang umihi dito, di ba? Iihi ka? Oh, boy. Ha? Anong sabi mo, Aida? Okay na. Naka-ready na? One, two, ready. Say cheers. Manlayo naman, Aida.
Hello.
Lapit kong konti. Okay, one, two, ready. Cheers. Okay, isa pa.
Thank you.
Isa pa. Ang dami, tingnan mo. There's a stream here. There's the stream here.
Oh, that is it. I'm here now. One, two.
Be careful!
Go back.
Asan na si Ate Feliciang? Ate Feliciang! Iihi tayo, Aida. Where you going? Ah, yeah. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, boom.
Right, let's go.
Oh, you wanna pee first? You pee. They coming down.
Ito yung mga bag na.
Inilagay niya sa kotse. Oh, they coming now. Hello. Hello, come on. Oh my God, ayun na si Ate Feliciang. Iihi na ako. Ang puso ko'y nagdurugo at parang umiinig ang dibdib ko sa tuwing makikita. Saan na kayong dalawa? Hello? Ang bilis nyo naman, dalawa. Ang tataas ng mga pine tree. My gosh. Agoy. Agoy. Hindi ba umihi ako doon? Ah, doon sila bumaba. Kaya pala hinahanap ko sila, doon pala sila bumaba. That's Ivy and Kilia. I know Ida and Kilia. That's Victor and Pelly. And this is the River D, Lynn of D.
More, more scenery.
Yeah.
Where?
Up in the bridge.
Ate Felicia. O, kala ko naiwan ka na doon. Sumasakit na yung tuhod ko kabababa. Mahirap yung pababa, ano?
Ay, oo. Very hard. And then when you go back, it's harder.
No, it's wala ako ng video, hindi pala nakabidyo. Hindi madulas dyan, Aida? Aida? Hindi madulas? Kilya, teka sa photos. Kilya, teka sa photos. Ganda, parang magpalitrato. Magpalitrato tayo. Picture, you take us a photo first. Take us a photos, Kilya. Take us a photos. Pakuha muna tayo ng photo sa kanya. Video ako ng video, wala naman pala. This is Colleen of D. Victor, take us here.
Baby, don't cry. I'm here. Just call my name.
Just
I love
call
you,
my
baby.
name.
I love you, Victorino.
Very nice.
Already? Okay. Maybe this way. Hey! No, yeah. Please. Be kind. Nah. Oh. Just a normal one. Yay!
That's the bridge of the Lane of the bridge of Lane of the. It's beautiful up here. Down here is beautiful. Sorry, it means down here, the highland. The highland. The highland.
Let's go in. At the bridge. Oh. That's even worse there.
Parang buhay yung mga ano dito, no? Yung mga bato.